In this shadowing exercise, we're going to start with a small sentence, and over 5 levels, we're going to make it longer and more advanced. When you see this symbol, it means it's your turn to shadow with me. Let's go straight into level 1. I'm going to say each one 2 times, first slowly, then a bit faster. I need to clean this room. I need to clean this room. All right, so basic sentence, nothing complicated there. Let's take a look at the next one, level 2. I need to clean this room top to bottom. I need to clean this room top to bottom. Okay, so we've added the expression top to bottom. What extra information does that give? We know that we're not just cleaning a little bit. It's not just a quick tidy. We are going to thoroughly clean this room. That is when we use that expression. You might have also noticed that when I said it faster, instead of bottom, I said bottom. That's just a little pronunciation thing. And by the way, if you want to listen to any of the levels again, use the chapters in the video. Let's move on to level 3. I really need to clean this pigsty top to bottom. I really need to clean this pigsty top to bottom. All right, so in level 3, we've just added really to add a bit more stress, and we've taken out the word room and we've changed it to pigsty to be a bit more descriptive about this room. This room really needs a clean. Maybe it hasn't been cleaned for a very long time. It's just a playful way of describing a messy place. Now let's move on to level 4. I really need to clean this pigsty top to bottom and stop putting it off. I really need to clean this pigsty top to bottom and stop putting it off. So this time we have added the expression to stop putting it off, to stop putting something off. If you're unfamiliar, can you guess what it means based on this sentence? Yeah, it means to postpone something or to leave something for later, something that you don't want to do. We would not really use this about a fun activity. We'd use this about something that needs to be done. And just before we go on to level 5, if you're finding this kind of video useful, please just give it a like quickly and it will really help me out and I know to make more. Thank you. Moving on now to level 5. I really need to clean this pigsty top to bottom and stop putting it off, because before you know it, our friends will be pulling up outside. I really need to clean this pigsty top to bottom and stop putting it off, because before you know it, our friends will be pulling up outside. All right, we have pretty much doubled the length of that sentence on the last level there. So pause if you like and just take a look. We have added before you know it, an expression used when something is going to happen sooner than expected. We can use this for something that's happening very soon, like the friends arriving. You can also use it, for example, children growing up. They'll be grown up before you know it. That's not going to happen for years, but it's still sooner than expected. And that is exactly when we use that expression. And if you're wondering about pulling up, I imagine a car pulling up to the house. We often say this even if there's no car involved. It just means that they'll be arriving very soon. So now let's put a couple of those expressions to use. We saw the expression putting off. What have you been putting off lately? Try and make your own sentence and you can use this structure. I've been putting off a verb. You can use it with a noun. I've been putting off my homework, for example. But this way is very common and I think it's a little bit more challenging. Give it a try now. I've been putting off. All right, and one more challenge. What's something that will happen before you know it? Here's a structure you can use for your own sentence. An action or any kind of situation, because before you know it, something that will happen in the future. Pause now and try out loud. And have a look in the comments because I'm going to leave a pinned comment with an example using this structure. Take a look and leave your own comment if you like. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.